Good morning, teacher. Today I'm going to cook a typical German food called Rote Grütze. The ingredients that we are going to use are sugar, whipped cream, strawberries, water, and blackberries. Let's start with this. First, we are going to add the strawberries in a pot, and also the blackberries. Then we will add half a cup of water. And finally, add a few spoonfuls of sugar to taste. Before we put the fruits to cook, we must remember that strawberries should be cut into small pieces. Now that the strawberries are cooked, we can start to cooking the strawberries. Once we have a thicker consistency, we will remove it and let it cool for a few minutes. While our consistency cools down, we are going to plate the cream. Now let's add our consistency to the cream. Now that we have added the consistency to the cream, the dessert would look like this. And well, this is how this German dessert called Rote Grütze is prepared. Thank you so much.